Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. Okay, so I'm here with my brand new Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you how you can block spam and also spam phone calls from those annoying telemarketers, those fraudsters, and I'm also going to show you how you can also block unwanted phone calls. Okay, so all you have to do is open up the dialer and select this little tab up here in the right hand corner. Go into the settings, and where it says caller ID and spam protection, just turn it on. And then where it says block numbers, select this option here, block unknown private numbers. Block spam and spam calls. So use caller ID and spam protection to block calls from telemarketers, fraudsters, and other unwanted callers. So just make sure that's turned on in there. And then block spam and spam calls. Okay, block all spam and scam calls. Select that option there. Okay, so if you want to block a number as well, you can enter so let's just say you get a call and you want to block the number. The number comes up, write the number down, and then just add the number manually. So for example, 07747838141. They called me moments ago, threatening me on the phone. They did not block their number. They did not hide their number. So I wrote the number down, and now I'm just going to block it. So just select add, and you will no longer receive calls from the number. So any number you want to block, just add it here manually, and the number will then be blocked. And you can just go ahead and hit done, and everything should be now set up, and you will no longer receive telephone calls from fraudsters, unwanted numbers, private numbers, telemarketers. Everything will now be blocked. You'll no longer get no spam phone calls. So yeah, this was just my video showing you how to block spam and also spam callers from calling you on your phone. If this video helped you out, you already know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor. See you in the next video. Doses.